Imagine stepping into a time machine and setting the dial back 4 billion years. What would you see if you visited the solar system in its infancy? Let's take a journey back in time, to an era when our neighborhood in space was wild and untamed. First, you'd notice the sun looking very different. It was a young, fiery star, much brighter and more volatile than today. Solar flares and massive coronal mass ejections were common, sending waves of energy and particles throughout the solar system. Now look around. The planets were just starting to form. Earth, Mars, and Venus were still in a chaotic state, bombarded by asteroids and comets in what is known as the Late Heavy Bombardment. This period was crucial in shaping the surfaces of these planets. Imagine giant rocks hurtling through space, colliding with these young worlds, creating craters and laying down the foundations of our future landscapes. Jupiter and Saturn were also different. These gas giants were in the midst of their own formation process, with massive, swirling clouds of gas and dust. Their gravity played a significant role in shaping the solar system, flinging debris inwards and outwards, influencing the orbits of other planets and small bodies. And let's not forget the outer regions. The Kuiper Belt and Oort cloud were teeming with icy bodies and comets, remnants from the solar system's formation. These icy wanderers would occasionally be nudged towards the inner solar system, potentially bringing water and organic materials to the young Earth. It's a wild and beautiful chaos. A snapshot in time when our solar system was a swirling dance of destruction and creation. Understanding this ancient era helps us appreciate the complex, dynamic history that has shaped our cosmic home. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember, that what seems calm and unchanging now was once a vibrant, tumultuous nursery of planets, stars, and mysteries waiting to be unraveled. Thanks for joining me on this journey back in time. Stay curious, space enthusiasts.